Alright. Now I got 3 different drinks lined up for you. Now you can't tell which is which. Well, actually now you can because they're still out here. Now look, get in the camera with me.
I don't know which one's which though.
Look, get in with me. I want to film your reaction because they're not bad. But I know how you Americans are. Jordan, get in the camera with me, damn it. I want you in.
Why would I look terrible?
Now look, there's 3 different kinds.
I don't know
This one, I'm just going to tell you. This, which I just drunk, is supposed to be this kind of fruit. It's not bad.
What is it?
This is apples drink with apple slices in it. This is yogurt drink.
I don't know what to think about these.
Alright, I want you to take a shot with me, whichever one's which. So, I want you to try this one. And this one is this one. Yeah. I want your reaction. I want to see what you think. Ooh, so tickly. You like
It
it?
has chunks in it.
That's apple slices. Which is really cute.
Okay.
See? Look at the little bottle. Alright, I'm gonna drink it too. I just can't get over the chunks of the apple. So what do you scale that one?
I don't know.
Like out of 1 out of 10.
I don't like tasting the chunks though.
So like a 5. It's good, but
Yeah, I guess.
Alright. Now you try this one. This one's the yogurt flavored drink. Just chug it down. Just like whoa.
That smells like medicine.
It ain't. It's literally yogurt flavored drink. Is it good?
It tastes like medicine.
Does it? You're right.
I don't like that very much.
Alright. This one's the last one now. This one's kind of good. It's sweet.
What kind is it?
Don't worry. We'll be even having better stuff
That
next.
ain't tea, is it?
No, it's not tea. It literally says juice. It's some kind of mangosteen.
I don't like this.
You don't?
No.
Hey, look. I know, right? Now, this one's the best for last. Well, I got like.
Where's my one drink? I got pineapple.
Yes,
You know
I picked
that.
pineapple for you. Because I know you like pineapple. I got mango.
I normally get the orange flavored mandarin.
They didn't have it.
Or the strawberry. I like all of them though.
That's why I grabbed the pineapple. Now, stay right there. Talk to the camera for a moment. I'm going to grab the treats. You're going to try these.
That stuff tastes unusual. Yeah, that's a nice word. Oh my gosh, I look terrible.
Now, I already tried one of the little koala bears. This one's different. Now, don't go looking yet.
Pocky.
Yeah, it gets better when you put these in the fridge. Look. The one I like the most kind of...
Oh my gosh. It says tea on it.
It's tea flavored. It ain't tea though.
I hate flavor of tea.
Now shut up, there's more stuff.
I'm not looking forward to tasting that.
I thought I had more than this, but... Oh! And then the best is for last. The best... Actually, I want you to try the best first. Move.
Oh, what's that? sure I like that.
Oh gosh. Alright, here.
I'm pretty sure I like.
Just eat it on camera. I want you to get it on camera.
This feels so
It's
strange.
mochi. It's basically ice cream with this riceness pudding kind of flavored texture thing. Keep eating it, trust me, you'll like it once you bite into mango ice cream. Come on. Come on, take a big bite. You gotta get that ice cream in there.
No, thank you.
Don't give it to me. Throw it away then. How dare you? That's some good mochi.
Yeah.
What? You don't like mango flavored stuff?
No.
Ain't she a disgrace?
That is disgusting.
It's just mochi that's flavored mango. How is that
I
disgusting?
thought that would have been good, but no.
What's good? Now here's the best stuff, the regular Hello Panda. Then I got this cute little mini panda.
Oh, that looks so cute.
It's banana and yogurt. Chocolate shortbread. And then we got the tea flavored panda and the tea flavored Pocky. Which one do you want to try first?
Neither, but I guess Pocky.
Pocky first? I didn't try the Pocky one yet. I like the freaking Panda Bear one. And then whenever
I'm gonna regret this thing.
And then whenever you want the Panda Bear one gone, all you gotta do is just.
Pretty sure this is something I like, but
It smells good though.
I'm totally gonna regret this.
Oh, look at the little packaging. Oh, it has a little tea leaf.
Totally regretting already.
Now mochi, which is the tea thing, is very strong smelling, but it tastes good. So should I take a bite first, then you take a bite, or are we gonna like double do it? Is it good?
No.
Oh wow! Tastes like tea.
I hate this.
I like this. Oh, my mango!
That and the tea flavored thing. Ugh. I still taste the tea.
You don't want these? I like these. Like they're so cute though, the little green bears. And then
I'm not eating that. Mm-mm.
the mochi. This one tastes like graham crackers though. Good. Alright. Ready for this one?
Yes.
Hashtag selfie. Wait.
This is so terrible.
Alright. Yeah, just keep on stealing my drink. Don't forget you got 3 drinks down there. Thanks. Finish it off. Alright. Oh wow, this is just more than one.
They're so tiny little cookies.
They're angry looking.
Angry panda.
Ooh. Ooh, they smell like artificial banana. Alright, you take one, I take one. Now I want you to get in there taking it first. I want to know your reaction. Then I can eat it. You think it's good? You like it?
I still taste the tea thing.
I'm scared. It smells like banana. I don't really like banana flavored thing.
I still taste the tea thing. It's terrible.
Not a fan. They're good, but not as good as the freaking tea. I want to film Clayton's reaction to these stuff right here. long.
already regret this stuff.
It's not bad.
Here.
Throw away. Now time for the good stuff we already know we like.
Yay.
You're just excited because I saved the best for last. I made you endorse the pain.
It was all terrible. Besides this thing.
The cookie.
Yeah.
Dumping the drink off.
I'm sorry.
That was a cute little plate.
Oh my gosh, the pandas
That's what
does
we're gonna
look
share.
terrible.
The pandas don't look terrible.
I said it looks adorable.
I know they look angry.
Angry panda.
Alright,
What?
you can have the rest of those.
Thank you.
What? That's
You
good.
say have the rest and then you end up eating it.
Oh, they're good though. But yeah,
This with mixture of everything is terrible.
I think we did good today. Especially in the mochi. The mochi was good.
No.
It's mango flavored. They had chocolate, strawberry, bean. I was like, no. Now if it was coffee bean, it tastes like coffee, I'd have got it. But it was like black bean, brown bean. And I'm like, but it's supposed to be ice cream though.
I still taste the tea flavor a little.
Tea flavored Pocky's good.
Not if you hate tea.
It tastes good. Give you a little tea energy.
I did not like it.